Hello, this is Key with Cuttasquadent Lawn Care. We're doing a video on my opinion on the Timemaster and the Honda push mower.
Who they want to see? Mayweather and Pacquiao. Look at me now, I touch the track and smoke it like a black and mild. Never see me backing down. Jurassic Park, ass around. Who the king? What the throne? I'm shooting at the cap.
So y'all excuse her voice.
Yeah, I had to get it pulled. How to get my tooth pulled, so
You got your tooth pulled, but you still went to work. That's dedication. I like that.
yeah, I need that money.
Anyway, so this is, I know a lot of people like to know a woman perspective on lawnmowers and stuff, because a man, all we get is male perspectives on stuff. So now we can actually get a female perspective. You might be one of the first ones. I do recall a female work. I don't recall a female doing a review on two mowers or comparing two mowers. So I think this is real interesting. Okay, so Key is gonna compare these two mowers and which one she likes better. We got the Toro Timemaster. As y'all know, it's back from the dead. It's back from the grave. We got a different engine put on it. Yeah, and my Honda mower, I don't know, this thing done been through everything. You see it's on the rims right now. Front tires is okay, but the back tires, they are on the rims. That's how you know it's rear wheel driven. Both are self-propelled. The Honda has this smart system. This is the one with the blade brake. So if you start it up, it's just gonna run, and then you do this, and then the blade's gonna turn on. Toro over here, the Timemaster, has this personal pace system. So the engine is gonna run just like that one, and you can move it around. Just push this, you can move it around, and once you do this lever, the blades is gonna cut on. So very similar, but very different at the same time. Two different brands. Obviously, Honda is not making mowers in 2024 in the United States anymore, and they're still continue to make this mower and they didn't change anything on it yet, and the price done jacked up. $1,500. This mower ain't worth no $1,500. Maybe about no more than $1,000. You can get these used right now, $600, $700, $800. Yup. So I don't think I would buy a brand new one. But when you buy used stuff, the saying is you get somebody else's problems. Okay, enough of me talking. You want to take it away? Yeah. So how do you feel about this Honda mower?
It's cool. It's not too bad, but I think I like the Timemaster better.
You think you like the big one better?
Yeah. The Honda mower just goes too fast when you cut the blades on and get the mowing.
You think the Honda mower goes too fast?
Yeah, I feel like the Honda mower pulls me more than the Toro.
The Toro?
Mm-hmm.
So
like I'm dragging.
So you can always just lightly push it. Do you just go full throttle on it?
Lightly pushing it today.
You was lightly pushing the Honda mower today?
Mm-hmm.
And what was it doing?
Dragging.
Oh, so how do you feel about this one? She finally got to use. This is your second. We used it the second time. The first time, it kept cutting off every time we engaged the blades. I don't know why.
Well, it's doing better now. I think I like this one better.
So you think you like? Do you?
I feel like it cuts better too.
You feel like the Timemaster cut better than the Honda?
And it's bigger, so you can get more stuff than the
Honda.
The Honda, you get a cutting stuff, is gonna cut off. I mean, the Timemaster did too, but
what? Okay, which one you feel bags better?
the Toro.
The Toro?
Yeah, because the bag catcher bigger.
Yeah. So you feel like the Toro bags better and cut grass better?
Yup.
That's interesting, because a lot of people.
I haven't done like real grass.
Yeah, you haven't done grass, but leaves you going with the Timemaster.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's interesting, y'all. I think I would go with the Timemaster too on the bag and leaves and stuff too.
Yeah, because the bag catcher is bigger.
Yeah, you can put more in there.
Mm-hmm.
And then you said you like this self-propelled system better than this smart drive.
Yeah. Because then I could go at my own pace. Like, even if I want to move faster, I can still move faster and have control. With this one, it's like, I go fast and it's about to slide my hand.
Okay.
Or it's pulling me.
Even with the messed up, even with it on the rims.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so which one you feel like, huh? Which one you feel like is harder to maneuver?
To maneuver?
Yeah, like to get around the yard. You feel like the little one is harder to maneuver?
Because you can't, with this one, you can push this down. So you push this down, you go. Lift it up, turn, you can still go. It's easier. This one, I don't know. I had a hard time today. I was like,
what? That's interesting.
oh my goodness.
I mean, but this is, wait, this do feel a little heavy. Hold up.
Yeah.
For it to be, let me see.
See?
It is heavier.
Mm-hmm.
That's kind of weird.
When you got the blades on, or you got it on.
This is like a little tank, though.
Yeah, you gotta turn it around.
That's interesting.
You just,
I think
the wheels. It could be the wheels too, because
the wheels
messed up.
Yeah.
But this is
those wheels on that is bigger too.
Mm-hmm.
So I think this is, I can't remember what cc this engine is. That's a bigger engine, obviously. I think this one is a little better on gas than that one. That's interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, which one you feel like, I don't know how they say it, is, because we obviously know this breaks down a lot.
Mm-hmm.
And this has yet to, reliable.
Yeah, probably the Honda. But if this one was probably, if everything was good on this one, it'd probably be this one.
Yeah.
Because the only thing messing up is the belt. So, the blades cut on.
And I have had no problems with no carburetor, no belts, nothing on this, except for these wheels. They go bald so quick. But with this, you either messing with them belts. The carburetor, not too much, but it's be them belts and these cables. But the Honda cables, I had never had an issue with it. Anything. Only thing was these damn wheels. Oh yeah, so this one got two blades. This one, they both got two blades, but this has the micro mulching or something like that, where it's two blades that sit on top of each other, and these are the blades that are side by side. So that's very interesting.
Yeah.
So if you walk, these both are, this is like this is homeowner grade. Mm-hmm. This is kind of like homeowner grade / you can do a little professional, not commercial, professional. And that is really homeowner, but you know how, it's kind of, you just got to treat stuff well and it'll last. So which one, if you walked in a dealership and you had $800 and both of them was $800, what you going with?
The Toro.
You going with the Toro, even with all the problems.
You didn't say that.
I said if you had 800, and now if you know what you know now, and you got $800, and they both was the same price, which one you picking?
I'm gonna go with the Toro.
You still going with the Toro?
Yo, I'm just how you change them belts. That's it.
Okay. Well, y'all heard it here. She said she going with the Toro over the Honda.
Yo.
I probably would go with this.
The Toro?
Yeah. And then cut a whole bunch of yards, much as I can get, and then I'll probably eventually buy that as a backup, just in case. So, yeah. Well, you heard it from Miss Famous Key herself on her take on the two push mowers. So you could take this and do what you want with it. I know some of y'all don't listen anyway. They don't listen. You just got, sometimes you gotta learn on your own.
Yeah.
But yeah, so what I was about to say, I can't remember. So, oh yeah, take this advice on what mower you want to choose this upcoming spring to start your lawn care business with, or maybe you want to replace some mower this summer. So I think this was when I got this from the guy in Richmond. This was, I think, $750, $800, and this was around, I think it was 5 something. I still got the receipt in the truck. This was $560. So yeah. Well, that's it, and we out.